Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a carousel on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Canva app or your website version or even on your mobile version and click on search. Go to the search bar and type carousel. Then it should bring you to a page like this where you would have various carousel templates for design and customization. All you have to do from this point is to just click on any of them that speaks to you. So let's assume I have something like this. All I have to do is to click on it and it brings me to a page like this. Then I would click on customize this particular template and it will bring me to a page where I can customize it efficiently. I could even number it and we'll just wait for the page to load. Okay, it's done now. So this is how to I can just customize it and write Victor Mendes, or just customize it to my liking and really make everything good. I'll stand out. So 5 simple digital marketing tips, have a clear strategy, use it to inform like this. And then I could even number it by going to the text here, and then you would see the page numbers here. Click on the page number and you would add automatic page into each one. You can also format it and choose any one of these. So that is how to create a carousel with page number on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, I would love for you to leave a comment below and consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.